Good morning, students. So in the last part of the first video, we were reading about the perimeter of the triangle. Now let's understand this. So perimeter of a triangle will be sum of its three sides. So what is a triangle? It is a figure which is enclosed figure made by three line segments. So the total distance of this triangle will be the sum of all the three sides. That means what will be the measure of this side plus this side plus this side. So let's take it out. So first side plus the length of the second side and plus the length of the third side. So this will be the perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle or the total distance around a triangle will be the sum of these three sides. Okay. So the length of first side plus the length of second side. Now, the formula for the perimeter of any triangle is sum of the three sides. Since in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So the perimeter will be 2 multiplied by the length of the same side plus the whatever will be the measure of the third side. So perimeter of a triangle, isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. So these have the same measurement, and third side with measurement A. If we suppose, let's suppose that there is an isosceles triangle with two equal sides, and the side have the measurement S and the third side has measure A. So perimeter will be sum of all sides so here we can write S plus A. So 2S plus A we can write. So similarly, in an equilateral triangle is a triangle where the measure of all three sides is same. Okay. So all three sides measure is same. So their formula will be 3 multiplied by side. And in any other triangle or a scalene triangle where all three sides are different, so the formula will be whatever perimeter's formula will be measure of first side plus measure of second side plus measure of third side or sum of all sides. So in any plane figure, perimeter of any plane figure okay, the formula will be sum of all sides. Understood? Let's see the case of a rectangle. Now if you will see, rectangle has two sides, opposite sides of equal length. Okay, so the biggest sides are called as length and the smaller ones are called as breadth or width. Okay, so if we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, again we will add. So there will be two lengths and two breadths. So that will be two lengths and we have to add two breadths together. Then we will find, so the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle will be 2. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by the total sum of length plus breadth. Now see this diary. So this diary has all sides equal. So the perimeter for this diary can be written as side plus side plus side plus side. So a geometrical figure which has four sides equal is called a square. So a perimeter of a square, the perimeter of a square will be 4 multiplied by the measure of the one side of a square. Let's start the first exercise. First question, find the perimeter of the following figures. So first question, you see it is a rectangle and its length is 50 meter and breadth is 30 meter. So perimeter of the figure or the rectangle will be sum of all sides, we know. So in a rectangle, what is the formula for the rectangle? Yes, 2 multiplied by the total sum of length and breadth. So we know the length is 50 meter and the breadth is 30 meter. So perimeter will be 2 multiplied by the sum of length and breadth. That means 2 multiplied by 50 plus 30, and we'll write the unit. Yes, that is meter. So 50 plus 30 is 80 meter. So perimeter will be 2 multiplied by 80 meter, that will be 160 meter. Answer. In manner you can solve question number B. Now let's see question number C. Here it is a square figure with the side 50 meters. So we'll see what is the perimeter for this figure. So perimeter of a square will be, the formula will be 4 multiplied by the measure of one side. So in this square, the measure of one side is 50 meter. So 4 will multiply 4 with 50 meter. So answer will be 200 meter. Now let's see the next question. Now see question number D. So here is a triangle with all the three sides different. So according to the formula of perimeter, it will be sum of three sides. Now let's solve this sum. So in question number D, perimeter, there is a triangle. So the formula for the perimeter of a triangle will be sum of all sides, since the measure of all sides are different. So first side is 40 meter plus 10 meter plus 65 meter. Now 40 plus 10 is 50 meter plus 65. So the total sum will be 115 meter. Okay. So this is how you will do question number E in your notebook. Now let's see question number 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are. Now see question number A. Length is given 6 centimeter and breadth is given 3 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by the sum of length and breadth. So 2 multiplied by 6 plus 3, and the unit is centimeter. So that will be 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18 centimeter. Answer. This way you will solve question number 2. Now let's solve one more question. Question number E.